So till now you guys might have seen RGB PCs, RGB components, RGB peripherals and maybe RGB gaming chairs also on my channel. But have you ever seen a RGB gaming router? Well, that is also happening. Asus ROG has bought an amazing router in the market, guys, and this thing comes with RGB lighting on it. Like seriously, what else is left to come with RGB? I'm like super excited to show you this stuff because it's like crazy. This is one of the craziest gaming routers I've ever seen till now. And not only that, it offers like crazy fast transfer speeds as well and looks really stylish. You can compare it like a Ferrari car because of the looks as well as the performance. And this is what I'll be showing you in this video. It's called the Rapture GT AC2900 and comes with some really exclusive gaming features as well. And we'll be talking about all this in the video, guys. So let's get quickly started with the unboxing. So ROG's new Rapture GT gaming router comes in this sort of box packaging. The model number is GT AC2900. It's a dual band gaming router that comes with Aura RGB lighting. We've got a picture of the product on the front and has some of its features mentioned over here. I'll tell them to you in a moment, but the special thing about it is it's Nvidia's GeForce Now recommended router. That means you're going to get excellent online gaming experience with minimum overall latency. It also has some exclusive features like triple level game acceleration, AI mesh Wi-Fi support and also AI protection network security. So those were some of its highlights. Now I don't want to waste any more of your time, so let's quickly get started with the unboxing. In the package you get a white box with nothing much written on it. And on opening it, we've got some paperwork at the top which includes a manual and an installation guide. Make sure to check them out. And here it is, guys, our much awaited RGB router, the ROG Rapture GT. Wow, now that is one stylish looking router. It's got their signature circuit-like design at the top, the Republic of Gamers logo, and weighs only around like 780 grams. So before I give you all a closer look at it, let's also check out the other accessories in the box. You get 3 external antennas to fix onto the router, a dual-purpose router stand to either wall-mount it or you can even place it on your desk, a compact power adapter for the router, a mini screwdriver as well, 2 RJ45 cables, and some converter plugs for the adapter. That's it, these were all the stuff we got in the package. Now let me finally show you the product. The ROG's Rapture GT AC2900 is a dual band next gen gaming router. It supports MU-MIMO technology, dynamic frequency selection and triple level game acceleration for reduced network latency and lower ping times by up to 75%. You see this ROG logo and the circuit like streaks on the top? They glow in beautiful RGB lighting when you power it on. I really like the design of the router. It's got a brushed texture like finish with good detail and the build quality is also very good. It's made of high quality polycarbonate material. So let me give you an overview and show you what do we have on all the sides. At the top you've got some status indicators for the 2.4G, 5 GHz and also the internet. On the right side we've got some buttons over here which include a WPS button, Wi-Fi toggle, reset, LED on off and a special ROG button which can be assigned to perform a specific function as preferred by you. We'll talk about this at a later part in the video. There's nothing on the other side and going to the top, this is where you'll need to fix those 3 external antennas that you got in the box. There's nothing on the bottom side except some product info and a stand fixing slot. That's it. Now let me show you all the available connectivity ports on it. By the way, the router has a lot of vents on it to let the heat escape. There's also an ROG logo here, 4 gigabit LAN ports to the right and 1 gigabit WAN port to the left. Along with that, it also has a USB 2.0, USB 3.0 ports, a DC in port, and lastly a power button. So that was our complete look at the design and the build quality. Now let me power it on, set it up, and be right back to continue the video. Alright guys, I'm back and this is how the ROG Rapture GT AC2900 looks like. Holy moly, it looks gorgeous, right? One of the craziest gaming routers I've seen in a while. So let me quickly tell you what makes this router special. It's a dual band gaming router certified by Nvidia GeForce Now and made specially for all the gamers. It features triple level game acceleration that prioritizes your gaming needs right from the device to the actual gaming server. This gives you a huge boost in online gaming by reducing the latency and the ping times also by up to 75%. The second is it has open NAT support. So guys, port forwarding is like super easy on this thing. You can easily host multiplayer games on it, invite people or even join and have a lot of fun on the network. Third is it even has DFS, which is dynamic frequency selection, which unlocks some additional less congested channels on the 5 GHz band to offer you better bandwidth for smoother gaming experience. And lastly, it also supports MU-MIMO technology that provides peak full-speed Wi-Fi connections for up to 4 compatible devices at the same time. So you won't get any sort of hiccups or slowdowns on the network when using on these compatible devices. So these were some of its exclusive gaming features on this router. Now let me quickly show you the setup and the configuration page of the Rapture GT. This is how the homepage looks like. You can easily access this from your browser or even using the compatible app. It's got a big list of features and settings available on it. On the home page, you can monitor the real-time network traffic, network ping, check how many devices are active and connected to the network, and some other features like control the Aura RGB settings, game radar, and boost key functionality. You can set the ROG boost key as a shortcut to access Aura RGB shuffle, DFS channel, game boost, or even GeForce Now as per your preference. If you ask about the protection features, it's got AI protection network security powered by Trend Micro and also has parental control support to keep a check on your kids. In the game acceleration tab, you've got all your game priority features like you've got game boost, game server acceleration, and a lot of other stuff like that. All these features were working pretty well and drastically improve your online gaming experience. See guys, these features are very important, especially for all the pro MOBA and FPS gamers. And going next, these are the open NAT settings from where you can easily set up port forwarding, and along with that you got plenty of other features like game radar, VPN, network traffic analyzer, and traffic monitor. These are pretty much self-explanatory, so I don't want to waste your time over here. Apart from that, you can also set up guest networks as well, AI cloud storage, and it's also compatible with Alexa. So you can even use your Amazon Echo device to control this router via voice commands. Well, that is pretty much it. Now let me tell you about the performance. We'll be talking about the speed as well as the range in both the 2.4G and 5 GHz bands. I'll be doing a speed test now and showing you the results. First, let's start off with the 2.4G band. I'm assuming you guys already know the difference between 2.4G and 5 GHz band. See, 2.4 GHz band offers higher range, but the speeds are not as fast as on the 5 GHz band. See, even better range is your priority, then connect to this band. I am using Act Fibernet's 100 Mbps plan, and currently the router is placed in my bedroom, which is at the extreme corner of my house, while I am sitting in my studio room, which is at the other end. So as you can see, on 2.4 GHz band, I am getting an average speed of around 85 Mbps. But as you can see, the range and the signal strength are very good. Now let me switch over to the 5 GHz band and show you the speed test result. ASUS says that the router supports a max speeds of up to 750 Mbps on the 2.4G band and 2167 Mbps on the 5 GHz band. And in my test, I was getting around 98 to 99 Mbps on the 5 GHz band, which is excellent and was offering very minimum latency. So if network speed is your priority, then switch over to the 5 GHz band to experience super fast internet experience. On the overall, I can say that it's a great performing router made specially for gamers with exclusive game enhancement features. One last thing I forgot to mention is it also supports AI mesh Wi-Fi system. So if you have any other AI mesh ASUS routers at your home, then you can use all of them together to create a mesh Wi-Fi network and enjoy max transfer speeds throughout your house no matter where you are. Well, that's it for today. That was my video on this crazy fast RGB router from ASUS, the ROG Rapture GT AC2900. It checks all the boxes in terms of performance, quality, as well as features. It's one of the best performing gaming router I've seen so far. Offers excellent transfer speeds and the range was also quite good. The only thing I felt is the router should have been made 802.11ax compatible, so it would have been like future proof for me. Anyways, it's still a great product with killer RGB looks and costs around like 18,000 rupees in India. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. I hope you all enjoyed the video and got to check out this awesome stuff. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.